All right, in this video, I want to talk about how to grade using Canvas. So assuming you've seen the other videos where I show you how to get to the SpeedGrader, I want to show you actually now how to use this. So across the top, you can see a number of different options for things that I can use to comment on this student's work. This is an example where a student submitted a PDF, so I'm going to be able to have all of these accessible to me. In a second, I'll show you how to do this when a student submits a Google Doc. So here we can see that we have this little pin that I can place anywhere I want. And what's nice, anytime I use these tools, it's going to give me this other option on the right here to leave a comment. So I can, just put something down throughout and leave comments associated with those. The same goes where if I was going to highlight a section, it works really well if you have text, and I can change the color for any of these things. I can use text to write over it. I can strike through areas, right? So if English teachers want to say, don't include that particular section. And then this drawing feature over here is really nice when you're using the iPad. So it's going to look very similar, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like on the iPad. But that drawing feature is really what you're going to want to use when working on the iPad and using your Apple Pencil. As we look to the right side here, this is where you can enter the grade, put a written comment, sort of covering the entirety of the assignment and the feedback you want to give. And then this button down here in the middle is one that I think is going to be really important, particularly if we're in a remote environment, to maintain relationships and good rapport with our students. It allows us to give video feedback. So here's an example, and if you get this is, I have Prezi, so I want to change the webcam, and I'll put myself on there for a second here. And I can also do no video and just do a audio recording, and then I just record this audio quickly. I'm not going to do it because I'm screen sharing. And then that comment goes to them right away once you hit submit. So a really great way to grade things quickly and also to leave personalized feedback. When you're ready to go to the next student, just look up at the top right and there's an arrow to go to the next student. Or if you want to jump around to different students, you can look at this list. This roster only has 2 students. So obviously yours would be a larger drop-down menu. Now I want to show you how to grade something that's come in as a Google Doc. So if the student has gone in and embedded their Google Doc into the assignment, this is what it will show up as. It will show up just like you would see on the regular Google Docs website. So you have all the features that you would use there. So just grade it as normal. And then you still have access to the right side here to put in a score, to put in a comment, and add a video or audio comment as well. All right. So just another way in which you can do what you've always been doing in this new system. All right, so that's the basic way in which you can use the SpeedGrader on Canvas.